Just a few minutes left before we should shop, and let me hand it over to Ashesha for the market wrap. And how did the market pan out in today's trading session? Ashesha.
Well, yes, Srishti, another good day for the Indian markets. In fact, by the end of the day, Nifty inched nearly 132 points higher, near that 24,712 mark. And we did see quite a bit of uptick in the last 1 hour of trade. Nifty Bank, that one should also come up for you on your screens. Big moves coming in over there as well. Nifty Bank is ending 420 points higher for the day, near that 54,100 mark. Remember, all eyes are on GST meeting, which is currently underway, the outcome of which is expected tomorrow. So all of those sectors related to GST continue to remain in focus. Meanwhile, in terms of individual stocks, metal stocks were clearly on fire. In fact, Nifty Metal Index was the biggest sectoral gainer in trade today. We also had a report from CLSA which believes that spreads are expected to rise in the steel sector. Nifty Metal Index up 3%. We had Tata Steel, which is ending the day with an uptick of nearly 6%, 167. JSW Steel 3% higher. Hindalco and all of these metal counters were abuzz. SAIL is ending 5.5% higher for the day. In terms of losers, IT sector was taking a backseat today. So we had Infosys, which is ending the day. Nifty IT index down 0.7%. Infosys was the biggest loser on the Nifty IT index, down nearly 1.5%. HDFC Life and NTPC, these were also amongst the top losers from the Nifty 50 index. In terms of individual sectors, pharma stocks were also gaining in trade. Nifty Pharma Index should come up for you on your screens. That one is also ending the day with an uptick of nearly 1.5% as we speak. Glenmark Pharma, that one shot up 4.5%. We have Ajanta Pharma and Lupin ending the day with an uptick of nearly 3 to 3.5% in trade. That's Ajanta Pharma for you at 2565, 3.5% higher. Lupin is also ending the day with an uptick of nearly 3.5%. In terms of individual stocks, we had NetWeb Tech. This company secured new orders worth about 1730 crores to power India's sovereign AI infrastructure. So big moves coming in on the back of this order win. NetWeb Tech on your screens up 11%. TBO Tech, after the company said they've signed an agreement to acquire US-based Classic Vacations from Phoenix-based investment firm. The cost of the acquisition at about $125 million US. TBO Tech up 15%. Acme Solar, meanwhile, on the back of an order win, that company won orders worth about 50 megawatt from Tata Power. That one is also ending the day with an uptick of nearly 4%. Star Health and a whole host of insurance counters will be in focus on the back of this GST meeting, where the rate is expected to be cut on individual health insurance to 0% from 18% currently. Star Health up 2.5% on the back of an ICICI Sec report. They maintained their revised target price of 5112 versus 461 earlier. Muthoot Finance and Manappuram Finance, the gold financing stocks were in focus after gold continues to trade at record high levels. Remember, it is now trading above the $3,530 per ounce in the global market. Manappuram Finance up 2.5%, and Muthoot Finance should also come up for you on your screens. That stock was also in focus on the back of gold trading at record high levels. Meanwhile, TCS announced a partnership with European insurer, so that stock was also in focus. So all in all, on an index level, Nifty is ending above the 24,700 mark. Big moves coming in for the Nifty banking index as well, but all eyes will be on GST meeting tomorrow as well. That's all the time we have on this edition of the show, but more news and updates will continue.